Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure your iPhone XR runs iOS 16 or later and has sufficient battery. Next, install a Dynamic Island Emulator app from the App Store. This is the only non-hardware way to get the effect on XR. Once installed, open the app and grant notifications, background refresh, and any required permissions so live content can display. Doing this now lets the emulator create a persistent top center overlay that mimics dynamic island behavior on your XR. Once the emulator is permitted, configure the overlay so it responds like a true dynamic island. In the app, enable the overlay and pick the animation style and entrance/exit timing. These control how notifications expand. Then map which events trigger the island, calls, music playback, timers, directions, so the app listens for those notifications. Finally, tune size, transparency, and tap gestures so the overlay doesn't block content, but stays easy to interact with when needed. Now test the setup. Make a call, play music, and start a timer to see the overlay expand and show activity. If you don't see responses, make sure notifications and background refresh remain enabled, then force quit and reopen the emulator. If issues persist, restart your iPhone XR and check for app updates or reinstall the app. This resolves most permission or caching problems. Remember, because this is an emulation, minor latency or visual differences versus native dynamic island are normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.